Hey YouTubers, CJ Productions 1996 here, and today I have a awesome review for you guys. This is the wireless Elite V2 by HP. It is an awesome keyboard, a great investment on my part. And I'm right now, I'm just gonna say it, I'm really pleased with how it's turned out so far. So let's show you the packaging first. So 2.4 gigahertz long range wireless, adjustable height, Link 5, and instant access to features in Windows 8. Just gives you what it comes with: the keyboard, the nano receiver, the booklet, batteries, and a warranty. High-end scissor style keycap. Feel amazing. It's just alright. So I bought this off of BestBuy.com for $43. The shipping was amazingly fast, I must say. Best Buy does ship their stuff really fast. So let's take it out of the box. And first off, right here is the receiver. I almost threw it out, and I was looking everywhere for it. There is actually no place that I've found so far to keep it inside the keyboard. Like my mouse has a spot inside the mouse near the battery compartment to keep your receiver. So like it comes with everything that it says: the warranty, the Link 5, and the start guide, quick start guide. So pretty much you just put it in and press the blue button. There is technically on this, there's no off button. It is constantly on, which is good and bad. But so let's run over the features real quick. Full keyboard, number pad, everything. It really feels like super nice. It's really light too, but it doesn't feel too light that you feel like you're gonna break it. So let's move this box out of the way. Sorry. These features up here, which I think are awesome. You've got mute, volume down, volume up, and open your web browser, which I think that is awesome, guys. I launched Google Chrome from across the room. And you got the sleep button. That doesn't mean to sleep the keyboard, that means sleep your whole computer. You do have to download software when you plug it in, which takes a couple minutes. So the back, it's got the legs, like your school keyboards, just like the school keyboards. And the link button, that's to link it up. The battery thing doesn't work on mine for some reason. I don't know if it's just mine. But also this corner came popped out. It wasn't popped into the molding, so I had to pop that in. It's got all these functions up here where you hit the function button, and then this opens like a window, your settings. This is actually really cool stuff up here. Pause, look at all your other windows. It's just an all-around, it's a great keyboard so far. I haven't had any problems with it. And it's super light. That's what I love about it. Here's the Link 5 that they were talking about. If it focuses. 5 devices to 1 receiver, which I think was a pretty good idea, but it slows down my computer a lot. Since I noticed since I started using this, my computer has become slower. So I don't know if that's something about this or if that's something completely irrelevant, but my computer has been slower since I bought this. But other than that, this is a great keyboard. I definitely suggest it, highly suggest it. I got a $40 gift card for Christmas, and it's June already, and I just started to use it. Next, I will be showing you my knife that I got, my next review. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe, and thanks for the support on my playthrough, World at War. Keep watching that if you want to, and I'll have this up in a couple minutes. So, see you guys later. Rate, comment, subscribe, and peace out.